Do you want to secure Windows 10 even after the end of support? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Windows 10's end of support or EOS marks a fair warning to all who haven't still upgraded to Windows 11 because of software or hardware issues. While the end of support for Windows 10 happens in October 2025, it gives enough time for everyone to upgrade to Windows 11. Stick with Windows 10 or decide to switch to another operating system. If you are planning to continue with Windows 10, here is what to do. Let's get started. Method 1. Evaluate extended security updates. The first and best solution is to opt for extended security updates as explained in this guide, which Microsoft offers as a paid service for organizations that need to continue using an unsupported version of Windows. Method 2. Install a dependable security software. While Microsoft Defender antivirus is built into Windows 10, you can supplement it with a reputable third-party antivirus as in this guide or endpoint protection solution. Make sure that the security software supports Windows 10. In time, Microsoft will stop sending out virus signature updates to Defender, and you will be open to anything that can go wrong in any moment. While free antivirus and firewall software can offer basic protection, you can choose a free, fully integrated internet security suite that provides multi-layered defense. You can follow this link for details. Method 3. Use an additional on-demand antivirus scanner. Next, you can use on-demand antivirus scanners. You can follow this guide for details. Method 4. Use a supported web browser. The next thing you can do is pick one of the supported web browsers and stick to using it. Do not experiment with any new browser. Method 5. Keep all installed software updated. Regularly update your software, particularly those frequently connected to the internet, such as browsers, email clients, Office suite, and communication tools. You will need to track which software will drop the support and when. So you may need an alternative or do everything possible from the browser. Method 6. Disable unnecessary services, software, and features. The next thing you can do is disable unnecessary services, software, bloatware, and turn off the features like remote desktop if they are not in use. You can follow this guide for details. Method 7. Utilize virtual machines for risky activities. If you need to perform high-risk tasks such as browsing questionable websites or testing software, use a virtual machine like VMware, etc. to isolate those activities from your primary system. Many are free to use. You can install Windows using the ISO and test anything you want. For more details, you can follow this comprehensive guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.